How to log into a Spectrum Internet account. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here we go. At the top you will see the search box. Over there type in Spectrum Internet account and search for it. Different website links will appear. Go ahead and open this one. Spectrum account sign in. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Spectrum. Now here you're gonna see the option of sign in. Click on it. With that, you will land to the login page. Now from here, you can easily access to your Spectrum Internet account. All you have to do is type in the credentials of your account. So go ahead and type in your username. Then type in the password. If you want to save your login info, check in for this option, say sign in. If you have forgotten your username or password, you can click on this option to recover it. If you haven't created your account yet, you can click on this option, create a username and register for your account. Once you fill this, click on sign in, and just for that, you will be logged into your Spectrum account. Well, this way you can easily log into Spectrum Internet account. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.